Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Things where I talk about random things, do unboxing videos and whatnot. I got this watch tool kit from Amazon. Got it delivered. This comes in this very nice pouch. Yeah, let's check out what's inside. So it's got all kinds of tools that you need. Paperwork here, 149 pieces is what they say. Watch repair toolkit. All right. Yeah, so it's got everything from like screwdrivers to spring bar tool to this hammer that you can take out bracelets, links. Nice rubber straps to hold them in place. You got a lot of spring bars. Different sizes, I hope. Yeah, looks like a very solid toolkit. To be honest with you, I don't know what all these are for. But then this one I know is to take out the bracelet. Yeah, so this is just an unboxing, but these are the tools. So this is to take out the case back. Yep. You got a nice cover for it as well. And this is where you would put the watch on there. So you'll take this out and then put it in one of these slots. Like so. And then you would do this and to take out the links. Yeah, looks like a very useful kit. A lot of things inside. Looks pretty quality. I mean, this is not flimsy or anything like that. And it's got all the slots in there for all kinds of repair purposes or modifications or things like that. Very sharp tweezers. Got the cover. I like that. Plastic cover on there. Goes on there like so. Yeah, super nice. Looks really nice. Very satisfied with it. But the built material of these it's pretty good. Got some metal. Feels like aluminum there. Yeah, I like the straps to keep the tools in place. Everything is pretty well organized. It's got this paperwork. On there. Okay, so these go on this tool to open the back case. And then this is the band length adjuster. Or you could do it this way, like I showed you. This one to take the spring bar. It's a spring bar tool, which will be very useful. Yeah, so this would be one in this, like so. And I guess this will be used on the drill lugs. Yeah, screws, auxiliary tool to take the battery out and stuff like that. Different kind of drill bits that you can, store at the back of the screwdriver as well. which is super nice. So you got all the different shapes and sizes of the screws, like the drill bit that you can store at the back. Screw the cap back on there. Yeah, pretty extensive toolkit. And this is the instruction on how to use them. Open the case back. Things like that. Super nice. All right, so if you like the content, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment, all of that. Thanks, bye.